Hello crypto mates, and welcome to my channel where I provide you with the latest crypto gems. As you may all know, the crypto world is filled with great potential. Yesterday you were poor, and today you are rich. It just depends on how bad you want it. Alright guys, before we start, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, hit that subscribe button and enable the notification bell to stay updated. Without any further ado, let's hop right into it. If you're seeking an easy way to make a couple of $100, then you are in the right place, but keep in mind that nothing comes for free. Before we go any further, remember this is an educational video and it's not financial advice. In this video, crypto mates, I will present to you one of the coolest crypto methods out there with beautiful and creative strategies, which won't require a lot of investing. Just a couple of bucks will explode to hundreds and thousands in minutes. The rug pull method will be your gateway to making an easy income during this bloodbath in the crypto market. Just make sure to possess a Solana wallet and fund it with some SOL. And let's get into it. First things first, before we make any move, we must think of a good strategy to find the right project to work with. In this matter, we are going to search for reliable upcoming crypto projects. Afterwards, we're going to copy their token name and all other related information. Just look at the web for good Solana projects without official tokens, or search on Twitter for solid Solana projects. After we find our project, we will be copying its name and everything else. Then we head over to the Lunar Launcher tool to create our token. I will keep all the links to these tools in the description of this video. In my case, I have chosen this trading project, which looks fine, and I will be copying all its info into the Lunar tool. Afterwards, guys, just make sure to do everything as I did to get the most out of your rug pull. After we are on the Lunar Launch main page, select the Create Token page, then copy the name of the project token. In this matter, we will be typing trader.fun for the token name and trade as the token symbol name. Leave the decimals at 9 in the supply box, type 1 billion, which will be the initial number of available tokens once your token is created. Then head over to the logo and upload your PNG logo for that project. By the way, I have downloaded it from their Twitter page. Also copy the description from the main site or their social networks. Keep all choices unmarked except the social links and tags box, and fill it with the social links to give your token more credibility. Also keep all these choices up. And then after verifying everything is correct, click on Launch Token. Remember guys, the creation process could vary from user to user as well as the transaction table. For me, I have already created tokens with the same wallet, so you can say my wallet address is whitelisted at the Lunar tools. If you're creating a token for the first time and you see a red page, it's just because your wallet API isn't verified yet. Now wait for a few minutes and your token will appear in your wallet. Let's verify on SolScan. Okay, as you see, everything looks fine till now. In this next step, I need you guys to stay focused with me, as it is a very sensitive step. If we want our token to be tradable, we should create a liquidity pool, and there are a ton of websites that provide this service. But the best one is Radium, whose link I will leave in the description also. Before you initiate this process, top up your wallet with at least 0.5 SOL. Now we should select Create Standard AMM Pool, then copy paste your token address. Our token name is not showing because Radium needs at least 3 hours to show the token symbol and logo. For token supply, select 900 and keep that 100, as I said, to give credibility to the token. Verify all is in its place and hit the create button. Now copy your AMM ID to your notes to keep it safe. Now head over to dexscreener. You will also find a link in the description. Choose any coin and copy paste your AMM ID. Then you will see your token chart. At this moment, you are all done. Just wait for the buyers to come. It could take a few minutes or 3 hours max to see decent results. Now I will set the video on time lapse till I see a good result at Radium. Good. As you see, buys are pouring. Let's check Radium and see how much we've made so far, around 800 bucks. Not bad. It could have been more if we picked up a better project. But no problem, I will do it in the next few hours. Now, remove all the liquidity to get away with those sniper bots' money. Unfortunately, as it seems bad for those buyers, it's good for us. And that's how the crypto works. Well, mates, I hope that you find this video beneficial. And if you do so, share it with your crypto fellows. See you at the next one with a new crypto gem.